If you're like most manufacturers, you've invested heavily in selling your product. But according to Gartner, 95% of your customers' time during a sales cycle is spent doing digital research on their own. So have you invested enough in making your product easy to discover and buy online? Introducing the barrier-free buying experience for manufacturers who want more. It's an incredible product-led journey that will enable your end customers, distributors, dealers, and partners. Business buyers know what they want, so give them the resources they need to engage with your product. This means real-time product configuration, space planning, and dynamic pricing. Once they feel confident, they can submit their information along with their configured product. Armed with a qualified lead, your distributor, dealer, or sales team can shift into consultant mode, guide the customer's decisions, and suggest complementary products. With Threekit, your sales partner can now place the order directly with you, the manufacturer, with the proper layouts, dimensions, and CAD files that make it easy for you to create and deliver. But the initial sale is only the beginning. The door is now open for service and future personalized sales. Suppose a product part breaks. The customer can easily identify and order the part themselves. And if they need the help of a technician, they arrive ready with visual instructions to guide the process for faster, more accurate resolution. It's the new barrier-free buying experience, and leading global manufacturers already use it for outstanding results. Where you meet your buyers where they are, remove barriers, and create a 24/7 sales machine. Discover the new barrier-free buying experience today with Threekit.